Hello, I am Deepika Lunawat. I am from Decorite. This flat is all about style, statement, and luxury. So let's take a look of this flat.
The entrance features a sleek combination of grey and white theme in a monochromatic color. The panel is made of PVC rafters, while the shoe rack includes both open and closed compartments below for storing footwear, along with a seating area for convenience. Additionally, the safety door is equipped with a protective mesh and a spotlight provisioned above. Upon entering the foyer, you will notice a stunning resin art frame of the Naukar mantra significant to the Jain religion. Below it, a sleek wall-mounted console complements the artwork, and a designer light fixture in the ceiling enhances the overall ambience. A grooved panel elegantly accentuates the Naukar mantra frame. As you enter the living room, the sofa back wall features vibrant floral wallpaper beautifully highlighted by an LED profile above. The TV wall showcases a striking combination of dark PVC rafters with golden accents and laminate, complemented by a sleek wall-mounted TV unit. The dining wall is designed with a mix of laminate and acrylic, featuring an open niche for displaying decorative items. Additionally, a crockery unit boasts black profile shutters with a clear glass illuminated by LED profile lighting. The kitchen is designed in a crisp white theme featuring under-counter cabinet with profile handles. The overhead shutters are made of white and brown back-painted glass, providing a modern touch. Additionally, a rolling shutter is included for convenient appliances storage. Upon entering the home office area, you will find it is designed in a subtle purple shade accented with black handles. A tall storage unit offers ample space for organization, while the study table features drawers on both sides for convenient storage. As you enter the kids' bedroom, you will see it is designed in cheerful blue and white theme. The room features a platform bed with a pull-out storage underneath. An open display area showcases artifacts while a closed display serves as a bookshelf. Customized wallpaper featuring Virat Kohli adds a personal touch behind the bed. A fluted laminated panel and a foldable study table provides both style and functionality. The wardrobe continues blue fluted laminate with a white glossy laminate accented by long sleek handles. Opposite the bed, there's a combination of open and closed storage for displaying artifacts, along with a long mirror that includes storage behind it. Entering the master bedroom, you will find the bed back is designed as a full height feature with a luxurious mixture of fabric and bronze acrylic sheet. Dressing mirror is designed on either side of the bed for convenience. The sliding wardrobe features shutters made of white back-painted glass, while a stylish wallpaper adorns the TV wall. Additionally, the window seating is designed with storage on all sides, providing both comfort and functionality. The passage features a striking mosaic tile design on the walls, creating an eye-catching focal point. A sensor-activated front LED mirror adds modern convenience, complemented by storage space below for practicality. As you enter the guest bedroom, you will notice the elegant beige laminate grooving panel accentuated with a bronze acrylic detail. The corner bed features pull-out storage underneath and a contrasting headboard for added style. A mirror with storage behind it is a perfect for cosmetics, while the openable wardrobe with a loft is complemented by chic bronze finish handles.
मैं नवीन रतनलाल कवाड़ पुणे से। मेरे दीपिका बहन से मुलाकात मेरे फ्रेंड अमोल जी लूना इनके थ्रू हुई। दीपिका बहन ने इतना अच्छा इंटीरियर किया, ऐसा सपने भी नहीं सोचा था कि इतना अच्छा इंटीरियर कर पाएंगे। स्टार्टिंग मैंने 4-5 इंटीरियर से बात हुई थी, बट उनसे मैं सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हुआ। दीपिका बहन ने इतना अच्छा कोऑपरेट किया। जितने समय में सोचा था कि करीबन 6 महीने के अंदर से ज़्यादा मेरे को वक्त लगेगा, लेकिन उन्होंने 6 महीने के अंदर अंदर पूरा इंटीरियर करके दे दिया। सबसे बड़ी बात, कॉर्नर में जैसे कोई भी फर्नीचर वगैरह बनाते हैं, जैसे उसका कॉर्नर रहता है तो चलते फिरते किसी बच्चे को या किसी को अपने को भी लग जाता है, तो उन्होंने इतना उस कॉर्नर को इतना कर दिया कि वो सोच भी नहीं सकते, और इतना अच्छी तरह उन्होंने कॉर्पोरेट किया कि जितना जब भी चाहे इमीडिएट जब बोला वो तो रेडी हो जाते थे। यहाँ जब बोलो तब ओके, और बहुत ही अच्छा उन्होंने।
I had a passion that my house should be a very good interior. This was my first house, you can say, after a long time. But before that also, in the old house what we were staying, we had renovated for 2-3 times. I had a good knowledge of the interior. But then when I met Deepika, all the work she had done was really superb, and the best thing which I liked was her, whenever we asked, we wanted this, we wanted that, she never said no for it. Anyway, she wanted to keep herself also, and she wanted to satisfy ourselves also. She was a very good relation, and after that, after this work also, our relation has been a more stronger before what it was. The corners, every nook and corner, whatever we wanted, in each place, she has given us a variety of choices in that. Said, whatever you are satisfied, I will do. It is not that she wanted, she never forced us to do anything. Any place, whether it is color, whether it is wallpaper, whether it is curtains, anything. And all the furniture, all the combinations were superb. Thank you.
दीपिका बहुत अच्छे बनाए मेरे लिए, हमारे वास्ते समय का पुदन बनाया है, और समय के बैठने के लिए बाहर जगह बनाई है, बहुत अच्छी लगी मैंने।
जब भी घर पे आते हैं तो ऐसा दिल खुश खुश लगता था, ऐसा फ्रेश पन अपना ऐसा लगता था। जैसे भी सुबह की प्रार्थना वगैरह रहती है हमारे जैन धर्म के हिसाब से, तो उन्होंने बाहर टेरेस पे इतनी अच्छी जगह दी है कि हवा भी अच्छी तरह आती है, चाहे वो गर्मी हो, सर्दी के समय भी कुछ ठंडी भी नहीं लगती है। इतना उन्होंने सिविल वर्क भी कराया है कि कोई नीचे फ्लोरिंग भी ठंडी नहीं लगे, उस हिसाब से तो इतना अच्छा उन्होंने बनाया है कि एकदम सुबह का एक बार माइंड फ्रेश हो जाता है, फुल डे एकदम फ्रेशनेस ही रहता है। थैंक यू।